Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a fiery and flavorful condiment that's a staple in Indonesian cuisine. Sambal Terasi. You might have tasted this spicy chili paste before, but how much do you really know about it? Stick around because we're about to uncover some surprising facts about Sambal Terasi that will spice up your knowledge. Let's dive in. Sambal Terasi has deep roots in Indonesian history, dating back to the era of ancient kingdoms. The word, sambal, is believed to have originated from the Javanese word, sambal, which refers to any kind of chili sauce. Terasi, a key ingredient in this sambal, is a fermented shrimp paste that has been used in Indonesian cooking for centuries. This combination of chili peppers and terasi creates a unique umami flavor profile that has made Sambal Terasi a beloved condiment across the archipelago. The terasi used in Sambal Terasi undergoes a unique fermentation process that gives it its distinct aroma and flavor. This process involves fermenting tiny shrimp or krill in salt for several days, followed by sun-drying and grinding into a paste. This fermentation is what gives Sambal Terasi its signature pungent smell and deep umami taste, which balances perfectly with the heat from the chilies. Sambal Terasi is not a one-size-fits-all condiment. Each region in Indonesia has its own unique twist on this spicy delight. In West Java, Sambal Terasi is often sweeter, made with palm sugar and tomatoes, while in Bali, it's spicier with more focus on chili peppers and less sugar. In some coastal areas, they use fresher terasi for a more intense shrimp flavor. This regional variation means there are countless types of Sambal Terasi to explore. Sambal Terasi is more than just a condiment, it's a cultural icon in Indonesia. For many Indonesians, a meal is incomplete without a side of sambal. It symbolizes a connection to home and tradition. The making and sharing of Sambal Terasi is a communal activity that brings people together, reflecting the warmth and hospitality of Indonesian culture. Sambal Terasi isn't just delicious, it also has surprising health benefits. The chilies in sambal are packed with capsaicin, which is known to boost metabolism and improve digestion. Meanwhile, the shrimp paste is rich in protein and essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Fermentation also introduces probiotics, which can benefit gut health. Of course, it's best enjoyed in moderation due to its high salt content. Sambal Terasi is a staple in Indonesian cuisine, found on almost every dining table. It's used as a condiment to enhance the flavors of many traditional dishes, from nasi goreng, fried rice, and soto ayam, chicken soup, to simple meals like steamed rice with fried fish or tempeh. The spicy, savory, and slightly sweet flavors of Sambal Terasi complement a wide range of foods, making it an indispensable part of the Indonesian culinary experience. In recent years, Sambal Terasi has made its way into the global culinary scene, inspiring chefs around the world to experiment with it in their own dishes. From Sambal Terasi-infused pasta to spicy shrimp tacos, this Indonesian classic is being reimagined in innovative ways. It's proof that this traditional condiment is versatile enough to complement a variety of global cuisines. In some parts of Indonesia, Sambal Terasi plays a role in traditional rituals and ceremonies. It is often used as an offering to ancestors or deities during special occasions. The strong, distinctive flavor of Sambal Terasi is believed to symbolize strength and vitality, making it a fitting offering in these cultural practices. Making Sambal Terasi at home is a cherished tradition for many Indonesian families. Each family has its own secret recipe, passed down through generations. The process of making Sambal Terasi involves grinding chilies, shallots, garlic, tomatoes, and terasi together in a mortar and pestle, then frying the mixture to bring out its rich flavors. This homemade approach often results in a fresher, more personalized Sambal Terasi that reflects the family's taste preferences. One of the defining features of Sambal Terasi is its texture, which is partially owed to the terasi itself. When mashed and mixed with other ingredients, terasi adds a grainy texture that clings to food, enhancing the eating experience. Here's a surprising fact: some people use Sambal Terasi as part of their beauty routine. In traditional Indonesian beauty practices, the ingredients in Sambal Terasi, like chilies and fermented shrimp, are believed to help with circulation and skin rejuvenation. While not scientifically proven, some Indonesians use it as a face mask to create a tingling sensation that they believe revitalizes the skin. Definitely a spicy way to pamper yourself. Sambal Terasi is making waves in fusion cuisine. Modern chefs are incorporating it into global dishes, creating unique blends of flavors. This unique texture, combined with the bold flavors, is what makes Sambal Terasi so distinct from other chili pastes around the world. Imagine Sambal Terasi pasta or even Sambal Terasi marinated chicken wings. Proving that Sambal Terasi isn't just limited to traditional Indonesian cuisine. For tourists, trying Sambal Terasi is often a memorable gastronomic experience. The strong, pungent aroma and the fiery kick can be quite a surprise for first-timers. In some traditional Indonesian herbal practices, Sambal Terasi is believed to have medicinal properties. Many travel blogs and food tours highlight Sambal Terasi as a must-try Indonesian food experience, often noting the condiment's unique ability to enhance the flavor of any dish it accompanies. Sambal Terasi is often seen as a social connector in Indonesian households. It's thought to boost appetite and aid in digestion, thanks to the combination of chilies and fermented ingredients. Sharing a meal with Sambal Terasi creates a sense of community and bonding. The spicy kick and communal eating style encourage sharing stories and laughter. It's more than just a condiment, it's an experience that brings people together, reflecting the communal spirit of Indonesian culture. With more people trying to make this spicy condiment at home or seek it out at global supermarkets. It's a culinary adventure that leaves a lasting impression. These additional facts provide a deeper insight into the cultural, historical, and even modern aspects of Sambal Terasi. This innovative use of Sambal Terasi highlights its versatility and how it can add a distinctive Indonesian touch to international dishes. And there you have it. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food stories from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.